Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, pose, makeup. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join us with the family. Thank you so much for making supporters. I love you guys. So today's video, get excited because we have some products here from COSRX. So I got this cute little PR package from COSRX, and we're going to be trying on and talking about this face mask with snail separation. I absolutely love it. This mask and this product that I have here is perfect if you're looking for the glow glass skin type. That's how you go. So here we have like a 3-step skincare for glow little routine. So we're going to be using all the products. 3 products we have: the face mask, we have the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. I love this. So this going to give you that deep nourishing hydration that you're craving for have glowy skin. And we're also going to be using the Advanced all-in-one cream. Love this, guys. This is formulated with 92% of snail secretion filtered mucin. This cream helps naturally creating an appealing glow. I absolutely love the trio. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I just want to share with you guys really quick something really cool that I've been using since I got it and I'm obsessed. This amazing neck shoulder massager. This is really cool and I've been loving since I got. This is a H7 Ultra E. Easy to put on and hand-free. And they come with a charger so you can charge your massager. So here I have the beauty here. She is absolutely gorgeous. So here is the heat area. This is the rolling stop. So let me show you guys how I use it. So here you have the on and off button with one short press. You have on. There's the heat mode, massage with the heat mode, and here on the side you have the button that you change the massage speed. All right, and then another side you turn off or on heat. So we have like a heatless massage with heat and 3-level heat: low, medium and high, which is great. So it's very hot now under my lights, so I'm going to add the massager to my body but without the heat, only massaging. Turn it off for a minute. All right, so now it's off. I'm going to put my hair up. So that's how you put it on. Alright, so now we have the massager in place. I'm sorry I'm sweating a little bit, it's just so hot under my lights. Alright, so now she's on. So you can just like pretty much do anything, just, you know, relax and let your massager works with you. I absolutely love it. Since I get it, I can't put it down. So yeah, so that's how. This is crazy. Feels amazing. I am going to link the link for the massager down in the description of this video. If you guys want to check them out, they are super easy to use. Like, you know, now I'm just sitting here in front of my camera working. I can literally just have this working my neck and my shoulders as I work, and they just relaxing me as I do. So the way I like to use it, I love to use like when I'm just the end of my day after I finish working, I just sit down for edit my videos. So that's when I put this video to work. So yeah, link for them is going to be on the description of this video if you guys want to check them out. I love it. Thank you so much COSRX for the PR package. They come so pretty. If you guys want to try any of these products, the link for COSRX is going to be on the description of this video, and let me know which one of them is your favorite or you love them all like me. Alright, so I'm going to play the video using the product for you guys, and I'm going to try to explain a little bit about each one of them as I am using. This is a 3-step snail mucin routine to defend and fortify and glow the skin. This intensive 3-step restore strength, lock in moisture, and bring back that healthy glow. Step number 1, we're going to use the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. This essence feels really nice on the skin. It's a feather light essence packed with 96% snail mucin to deep hydrate and support the skin barrier from within. Leave the skin super smooth and glowy. So step number 2, Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream, a rich yet non-greasy moisturizer with 92% of snail mucin that calms irritation and seal in hydration, help your skin to feel stronger, softer, and more resilient over time. And finally, step number 3 is going to protect. Is the Advanced Snail Mucin Glass Glow Hydrogen Mask. It's a premium hydrogen mask infused with 25% of snail secretion and collagen to instantly boost glow, soothe stressed skin, and refine texture. Use whenever your skin needs a glass reset. I love this 3-step. I hope you guys enjoy. I absolutely love. My skin is glowing and looking fabulous. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next video. Bye.